Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something a bit, I would say, out of my comfort zone maybe, because it's colours I don't usually use. So I've got some greens here, probably going to need to dig out some other pens, but we're going to do a nature inspired spread. So yeah, greens, maybe some browns, see how we go. So if you want to get your bits, you can create alongside me, or you can watch this video and then do your own version. If you do your own version, do let me know in the comments. And if there's anything specific, any particular type of spread that you'd like, drop me a comment below and let me know what you're thinking. So I think we should just go for it. We'll see how it comes out. there we have it, the final piece. As you can see, I really enjoyed putting the dots on there just to fill up that space, and I think it came out pretty good. So yeah, I'm pleased that I went outside of my comfort zone.